Hello students, this is Indrani Mathematics. இப்போ chapter number 6 lines and angles. அதில் exercise 6.2 sum number 4 பார்க்கலாம். In this figure if PQ parallel to ST, இதுதான் PQ, this is parallel to ST given. PQ is parallel to ST. Angle PQR is 110. Angle PQR that is equal to 110 and angle RST is equal to 130 degree. We should find out angle QRS. Angle QRS, this angle we want to find. Okay, so for that one we are going to construct line XY parallel to PQ. So construct a line XY which is parallel to PQ. Through R only we are constructing. Okay, draw a line XY through R only which is parallel to PQ. Okay, what we know is sum of the angle on the same side of the transversal is 180. So look at this PQ is parallel to QXY. These two lines are parallel lines. This is a transversal. So in this transversal, if we take a left side, this is the left side, you are having interior two angles. Add these two angles, the answer is 180 degree. That is the sum of the angles on the same side of the transversal. Transversal oda same side la irukkudiya angles nandi add pannittingna you will get 180 degree. So angle PQR plus angle QRX is equal to 180 degree. So angle PQR is 110 degree plus angle QRX unknown equal to 180 degree. So 110 degree, bring it to the other side. QRX is equal to 180 minus 110, that is called 70 degree. So we got angle QRX. This angle is 70 degree. Next, I am going to start angle RST. Look at this, RST plus angle SRY. That is equal to 180 degree. Similarly, why? Because this is parallel to ST also. What is given? PQ is parallel to ST. So definitely this also parallel to ST. Now I can treat this as a transversal. See, in this transversal, this is called right side. Right side you having interior two angles. Angle 2 and this angle. These two angles, if you find out the sum, the answer is 180 degree. That is a axiom is, or known fact is, sum of the angles on the same side of the transversal. This is a transversal, same side is called right side. If you find the sum, the answer is 180 degree. So angle RST plus angle SRY. These two angles, if you find, the answer is 180 degree. So RST is nothing but 130 plus SRQY equal to 180 degree, because given this is 130 degree. So angle SRY equal to 180 degree. Bring it 130 to the other side, you will get minus 130. Or angle SRY equal to 50 degree. Okay. So angle SRY, this is 50 degree. And angle, we got it, QRX equal to 70 degree. QRX, this is 70 degree. So I want to find out this one. It is understood this is a straight line angle. So sum of these three angles is equal to 180 degree, no? Because of the straight line angle. Sum of all these angles gives 180 degree. That is angle 1 plus angle 2 plus unknown angle is equal to 180 degree. Angle 1 is got it as 70. Angle 2 is 50 degree. This is unknown angle, that is equal to 180 degree. Calculate the unknown angle. Okay. So this is the linear pair of angles on the line XY, that is called XY is a straight line. That is the meaning for linear pair of angles on the line XY. These three angles, that is called angle 1 plus angle 2 plus unknown angle is 180 degree. This is angle 170 degree. This is called angle 250 degree plus QRX. Yes, that is unknown angle, is equal to 180 degree. Clear? Once again, this is a straight line angle. So angle Q or X plus Q or S plus S or Y equal to 180. This is 70 plus Q or S angle plus 50 degree equal to 180 degree. Okay. So angle Q or S, these two added, you will get 120 equal to 180, or Q or S angle equal to 180 minus 120, that is called 60 degree. Okay.